when you're thinking to buy something, or you're thinking to eat something you like, and no one stops you from thinking in that way, then you have the freedom of thought. But sometimes your elders stop you from thinking in particular ways, like eating too many candies or something like that. But that doesn't mean you have no freedom. That is because our elders want to make us better citizens of the country, and they want us to stay healthy and nice.
Okay.
Freedom of expression is when
Loudly, Tvarita, this side. I told you don't keep the chart that side and speak. If you want to see it, but you'll
yeah.
have to come towards the camera. Okay, what is
Freedom
Mehran
of
doing there?
expression, when you express your ideas without thinking if they are right or wrong, then you have the freedom of expression.
Hmm.
And
Sakshi, are you getting an idea about what is that she's speaking? Sakshi, are you getting an idea? See, initially, Tvarita, can you just repeat what was that we started discussing on?
yeah, we chose this topic, that is freedom for me by me, because in August there
Spandan?
is a special day for Indians, that is Independence Day.
Hmm.
And also, many of us have many things in our minds, but we are unable to put it across because of fear.
Okay, Sakshi, did you get that? 1 minute, Tvarita. Sakshi, did you get that? So we have many things. They say we have freedom, but at the same time we have restrictions also. We should know where to utilize our freedom and where not to utilize our freedom. Got it, Sakshi? Don't keep yourself on mute. You keep listening. Don't keep yourself on mute. Don't mute it. Do not mute it, Sakshi. Unmute your audio. Sakshi, unmute your audio. Sakshi, unmute your audio, dear. Yeah, don't touch it at all now. Don't touch it. Don't touch it, Sakshi. So, did you get what Tvarita is telling you? We are talking about freedom, okay? How much of freedom we have, what kinds of freedom we have. That's what Tvarita is saying. So, each one of them will come forward to speak about each and every kind of freedom, where they can utilize it and where they are not supposed to utilize it. So, that is what they are talking about. Okay, Sakshi? Sakshi, did you get that? So what was the title Tvarita shared? Arnav, can you put it in the chat so that Sakshi can see the
Yes.
title of our presentation?
The
Mana,
title of our project is Freedom for Me by Me. Because we need freedom and we need to give freedom for others.
no muting Mana. Nowadays I see Mana becoming little naughty.
Ma'am, I'm not muting it.
Automatically it's getting muted, is it? कुछ तो है magic वहाँ पे. Okay, continue Tvarita. See Tvarita smiling. Okay. Spandan, where's your charger? Spandan, sit straight and listen. Next is whom? Actually, after Tvarita, it's Manna. After Manna, who's number 3?
Spandan.
Spandan, I can't see you. Spandan, have you put in the chat? Arnav?
Yes.
Sakshi, did you see in the chat the topic? Freedom for me, by me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be a little louder, Sakshi. Okay, we can't hear you. Okay, Tvarita, sorry, you continue. Where were you, Tvarita?
I finished all the types of freedom.
Okay.
Our teacher also asked us a question. To imagine our lives in 2030. How our lives would be and what we would think about freedom. In 2030, I would be 19 years old. There would be many similarities and differences in my life at that time. I will still think freedom is very important for a person. At that time, I would be able to drive a car. I would be able to vote. I would be in college and I would be a better citizen of my country.
Okay. Continue.
I've also written a poem on freedom.
Very good.
Freedom is our right.
Expressions, Varita. Freedom is our rights. Action. Where is your action? Just like that.
Freedom is our right.
Action. Freedom. Do some action.
Freedom is our right. It is nice. We all need freedom. It is essential for life. We need freedom to choose. We need freedom to see a moose. We need freedom to go to Rome. We need freedom to build a home. We need freedom to read. We need freedom to sow a seed. So freedom is our right. It is surely nice. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So, now I will ask my friend Spandan to carry on. Twarita. Now I will ask my friend Mana to carry on. Say, Twarita.
Now I will ask my friend Manha to carry on.
Thank you, Twarita. Mana, say. Thank you, Twarita.
My name is
Wait, Mana. Listen to the teacher first. So Twarita said, now Mana will carry on. So what will Mana say? Thank you, Twarita. Say, Mana.
Thank you, Twarita.
Now you introduce yourself. I am going to introduce myself. Say, Mana.
I am going to introduce myself.
My name is, continue.
The title of my project is Freedom for Me by Me. Freedom is divided into 5 subtitles.
Wait. Mana, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. First, why did we choose this topic? What is that we discussed about this topic? And then you come to this 5 topics, subtopics. Okay. Say, why did we choose this topic, Mana? Twarita, I can't see you. We chose this topic, freedom, because we all know that we have freedom, but we also not know that we have restricted freedom. Say that, Mana.
Ma'am, actually there would be a little background noise, so can I go on mute?
Yeah. No problem, but not your video. Huh?
What do I have to say?
What did we say in the initial period when we were discussing? We had a lot of discussion about freedom, and that's when we started discussing about 5 types of freedom. Say, Mana. We had a lot of discussion. About freedom. And that's when we arrived. About the 5 different. Continue. Say now. You know the 5 different types of freedom we discussed. Where?
Different types of freedom we discussed about.
Where?
Freedom to choose, freedom of thought, freedom to believe in yourself.
Camera.
Freedom of expression and freedom to make mistakes.
Very good.
According to me, I think freedom to choose means that we get to choose everything for ourselves and nobody can force us to do things we don't want to.
Continue.
Freedom to believe in ourselves.
Little bit of the shaking can be stopped, I guess. No. Be original. Don't have to shake like this. Then it looks so odd on the camera. Yeah. Now you come closer. Come closer to the laptop. Yeah.
Freedom to believe in ourselves to me is my ability to set my own goals and do my best to achieve those goals. Freedom of thoughts to me is when I can think about anything I want and share it with people around me without fear or shame. I am free to make mistakes when I do things my way without the fear of failure or being wrong.
Okay.
Mistakes allow us to improve ourselves.
Twarita, you need to listen to Mana when she's speaking.
Expression means I am free to express my feelings openly at all times without fear.
Okay. Then?
Our teacher asked us to imagine our life in 2030. And will there be any change in the way we act to situations? In 2030, I would be 18 years old. I would be more mature and able to do things my way. I will have a better understanding of situations and be better at handling everything that comes my way. I have also written a poem on freedom. I want to write a poem. I want to learn to cook. I want to do a painting. I want to read a book. I want to build some Lego. I want to sing. I want to do some psalms even if I get them wrong. I want to switch the light out and study the stars. I want to make a spaceship and fly up to Mars. I want to be a queen. I want to go to Rome. I want to rule the world, but now it's time to go home.
Very nice. Okay. Now I call upon Spandan to continue about freedom. Say Mana.
Now I call up to Spandan to
speak about freedom.
Continue about freedom.
You all have to be alert. Spandan, what did she say? Tell me. We can't hear you, Spandan. Now it's your turn. Continue. We can't hear you.
Just came now. Something had happened to my laptop, so I couldn't.
We are able to hear you. Okay, continue. Don't no more of wasting time.
Told right now.
Start. Okay. Good afternoon, Spandan.
Yes, I am taking a charger.
Quickly. Today we are not going to extend. Otherwise, others will get bored. See, audience will be there. So good afternoon, everybody. Today I am here to speak about freedom.
I'm gonna speak about freedom. The topic is freedom. So now I'm gonna tell what is freedom of expression.
Loudly, come closer. Spandan, keep the poster. This is the poster I have made. Spandan, just show and come back to your place. Show the poster, leave it down, come back to your place. This is the poster I have made. Come back.
Good morning and good afternoon.
Come closer, Spandan. I can't hear you. What happened? Your volume? Increase your volume, Spandan.
One. Can you hear? Good morning, good afternoon, one and one. I'm gonna speak about freedom. So now I'm gonna tell what is freedom of expression, freedom to mistakes, freedom to believe in yourself, freedom of thoughts, freedom to choose. What is it to me? So first I'm gonna tell freedom of expression. The power of right to express someone's opinions without restriction and legal penalty. Freedom to choose to me.
Is there 1 minute, Spandan? I am not able to hear you clearly. The reason being you're coming closer. Slowly you're moving away, looking outside. So everywhere it is breaking. So when you know that your laptop is not fine or something like that, you need to come closer to the laptop. You need to come closer to the laptop. Look at the laptop and speak. Yeah.
I think so you're down something. Construction is going on. So that was okay. That was
Spandan, listen. See, there will be a lot of distractions. Do we get distracted easily? Not necessary. Okay? Is there any network issue?
Hear you.
Pardon? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, my network is full.
Tell me, can you hear me?
A message is coming again and again to me. Your internet is unstable.
Oh, for you. Okay. Now you don't worry about all that. You sit straight, concentrate on the camera in front of you. You have prepared it really well. Even if there are several sounds around you, don't keep looking outside. Not necessary. Yeah, that should be really fine. Yeah, super idea. Yes, super, super. Now you continue, Spandan. Good afternoon, one and all. Yeah.
Afternoon. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm gonna speak about freedom.
What we discussed in our class. What we discussed in our project classes. Yeah.
What we discussed in our project classes. So now I'm gonna.
We choose the topic freedom for me, by me, because.
We choose the topic freedom for me, by me.
Because of what? Because of.
I don't know because of.
We told, no, Twarita, what did we say? Why did we choose this topic, Twarita? That's why I told you, please listen to others when they are speaking.
And something I can't hear anyone.
The reason being you're not concentrating here. Come closer now. Twarita, can you reinforce on why did we choose the topic? Spandan, listen to Twarita now. Yeah.
I can't hear only anyone.
Now you see. Twarita, you speak.
No.
Because in August, there's a special day for Indians, that is Independence Day, 15th August.
Can you hear now?
I can't hear.
Now you're able to hear us, yes?
No, I can't.
Yeah, you're able to hear me. Okay, continue.
Okay, so now I'm gonna tell what is freedom of expression, freedom to choose, freedom of thoughts, freedom to make mistakes, freedom to believe in yourself. Now I'm gonna first tell what is freedom of expression to me. The power of right to express someone's opinions without.
Mana, I can't see you.
And why someone means? Can you? Hello.
You don't get distracted, Spandan. Yeah.
You are writing the chat, so I am getting distracted.
Okay. Somebody asked me some meaning. That's why.
The chat. Let's just start again from freedom of expression.
Yeah.
Power of right to.
Mana, see, he's saying he's getting distracted. So I think we can discuss about all these things later.
Legal penalty. So now I'm gonna tell what is freedom to choose to me. You can fly, you can teleport anywhere, anything you want, you can get it. Now I'm gonna tell no, etc. Now I'm gonna tell freedom of thoughts. You can fly.
Just now I told don't look outside, only on the camera, focus.
You can fly, you can teleport, you are the fastest person on the universe. Now I'm gonna tell what is freedom to believe in yourself. And sometimes I don't sleep properly. My father comes and shout at me, but I take my own decision that I'll sleep like this only.
What does your father say? What does your father say? You don't sleep properly.
That sleep properly, but I take my own decision that I will not sleep properly.
Okay. So
only this much is.
But after that, again, you're energetic. Are you energetic?
Yes, but
so that you need to add on. Though I don't follow it, but still I believe in myself that I can still be energetic.
Yes.
Say that. Add on, Spandan. Spandan, add on this.
What
my father says?
My father says. What my father says? I can't hear you only. You're talking so like this.
Children, can't you hear me? Twarita, can you hear me? Those who can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Those who can hear me, give me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, can you just speak so loud? I can hear you, but you are not speaking loud. Can you speak loud?
But everybody is saying that they can hear me properly. Children, can you hear me properly? See, all of them are giving thumbs up. Yes, Spandan? I think you need to come closer. Okay. Let's continue. Let's not waste time and not able to listen. Yeah.
Ma'am, Now there is nothing, right? No, freedom to make mistakes. Freedom to make mistakes is to that. And sometimes I do something wrong, but my friends, teacher, etc. don't shout at me. And I'm gonna tell the poem.
Okay, they don't shout at you. Okay, so what do you learn from your mistakes? Do you continue making mistakes?
No, that I will not do it again.
That you should add on. It is not that they give you the freedom to make mistakes. Okay, you keep doing the mistakes. Correct? You must learn from your mistakes. Okay, then. My teacher also gave us a question.
I'm gonna tell that what is. I'm gonna tell the poem. I fly up in the sky.
Poem on what? Poem on Spandan? Poem on Namana?
Freedom. Poem on freedom. So now I'm gonna start. I fly up in the sky like a butterfly. I am right. Ma'am, wait a minute.
You can look at your chart.
I know that I am right. I have the freedom to fly. I have the freedom to do just anything. Now I'm gonna tell what will I do in 2030. In 2030, I will be 18 years. That will be super amazing. From that age, I can ride a bike. And I will be adult, so I can go anywhere.
But how will you rightfully use your freedom? How will you rightfully use your freedom for the country?
Rightfully means?
Correctly. How will you use correctly your freedom? You are now an adult.
Yes, so when I will be an adult, I will just ride the bike and that whole thing. I can't understand only what are you talking.
No, and dear.
You are not talking loud.
I am loud only. Maybe there is an audio problem. That's why you're saying you're not talking loud. Okay. So I'm asking you. Yeah, I'm asking you if there is an earphone, you wear it as Spandan first and foremost. Do you have a earphone with you? If you have one, you wear it.
Earphone, but I can't wear it. I don't want to wear the earphone because sometimes the voice maxes and then my ear started to pain. So
pain. Okay. No problem. I'm asking you, how correctly would you use your freedom when you are 18 years old?
I will. No.
Is it only about riding a bike? Is it only about I will have a lot more of freedom? But for the country, what would you do? You had an idea that day. You said I would do something. I would like to become an army person.
But I can't write that there because there is no. I can't say that I will be an army person only.
Okay.
Because I don't want to write.
Would you like to be a good citizen? Would you like to be a good citizen or a bad citizen?
Good citizen, but I can't.
You can add on, no?
I can't.
That you can't add on?
I can't add it on anymore now.
Yeah.
I matched it with all place.
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Means I can't add anything on the chart now because
no need. Only in your mind. See, chart is only your aid.
Chart. I can't remember this much things because I can't remember the chart somewhere.
Okay, can you come back on that question again? Our teacher gave us a question, and can you come back on the question?
Which question?
What was the question I gave you? In the year? Look at your chart. Look at your chart. You will get your question. Look at your chart.
Yes.
Spandan, I'm coming back to you. Take some time. Go drink some water and come. Spandan. Go. Yes. Go. Yeah. Next is who? Arnav. Yeah, Arnav. Yeah. Spandan, drink some water. I can see you. Yeah.
Hello, one and all. Today I'm going. Hello, one and all. My name is Arnav, and today I'm going to show you my chart and the topic. The topic is freedom for me by me. And there are 5 topics.
We chose this topic.
We choose this topic because there was a special occasion on August Independence Day, 15th
on 15th August. This is why we choose this topic. And there are 5 subtitles.
We discussed on 5 subtitles.
Freedom, freedom of expressions, freedom to choose, freedom of thoughts, freedom to believe yourselves, freedom to make mistakes. And now I am going to tell you what is, according to me, freedom of expression. According to me, freedom of expression is to express your feelings with others. Freedom to choose. According to me, freedom to choose means we can choose our favorite book's color or our favorite pen's color, etc. Freedom to believe in yourself. We can believe that we are riding a bike, we can fly, we can go on a rocket, we can be the fastest man in the world. Freedom to make mistakes. According to me, freedom to make mistakes means to make mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Freedom of thoughts. Freedom of thoughts is we can imagine our imagination in our thoughts and we can tell it to people.
1 minute, Arnav. Spandan, what are you doing? Mana, what are you doing? Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue, Arnav.
Freedom of thoughts. According to me, freedom of thoughts is you can imagine what will you do in your thoughts and tell it to people.
Very good.
Now I will recite my poem.
Very good.
Freedom to see in the sky, freedom to see, freedom to blink your eye, freedom to see all the stars, freedom to imagine that you are on Mars, freedom to imagine that you are flying, freedom to be shy, freedom to lie, freedom to imagine that you are very high.
Arnav, hold it a little lower, Arnav. We can see your face, no? Then only we can see your face. Put it a little low, otherwise the camera we are not able to see you. Okay, from the beginning, little louder, Arnav.
Freedom to see in the title of our poem is Freedom for Me by Me. Freedom to see in the sky, freedom to blink your eye, freedom to see all the stars, freedom to imagine that you are on Mars, freedom to imagine that you are flying, freedom to be shy, freedom to lie.
Lower the paper.
Freedom.
Put the paper down, Arnav. Put it a little more down. Don't see what you're doing, you know. See, you're holding it like this. Slowly it comes off and covers your face. Okay? Wherever it is, put it there only and read. See how Mana did the same way. Yeah.
Freedom to see. The title of my poem is Freedom for Me by Me. freedom to see in the sky, freedom to blink your eye, to see all the stars, freedom to imagine that you are on Mars, freedom to imagine that you are flying, freedom to be shy, freedom to lie, freedom to imagine that you are very high, freedom to wear a tie, freedom to say this is my, freedom to lie everywhere.
Okay, it's so plain, Arnav. With some modulations, can you say it? Freedom to fly high. Something like that, your modulations, because it looks very plain on the same page. So little with modulations, yeah? From the beginning, the title of my poem is, loudly also, come closer.
The title of my
Spandan,
poem
I'm going to ask you the question next. Be ready.
Ready? The title of my poem is...
Loudly, Arnav.
The title of my poem is Freedom for Me by Me.
Freedom for me by me.
The title of my poem is Freedom for Me by Me.
Very good.
Freedom to see in the sky.
Freedom to see in the sky. Freedom to fly high. So loudly and clearly. How you are saying, children? Freedom to, and also mana also. Very plain modulations. It has to go up and down. Your modulations have to go up and down. Spandan, sit straight. Arnav, listen. Now you say.
The title of my poem is Freedom for Me by Me. Freedom to see in the sky, freedom to blink your eye, freedom to see all the stars, freedom to imagine that you are on Mars, freedom to imagine that you are flying, freedom to be shy, freedom to lie, freedom to imagine that you are very high, freedom to wear a tie, freedom to say this is my, freedom to lie everywhere.
Next.
Our teacher asked us a question, what will happen in 2030?
And how will you utilize your freedom?
And how will we utilize our freedom? In 2013, I will be 18 years old and I can ride the car, bike and
these all seen.
And I will be a good citizen.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Good citizen for our country. Okay, Spandan, now the same question for you.
What question?
What was the question? You ask your friends. Friends, can you tell me what was the question? Ask them. Ask them, Spandan.
What was the question, friends? What will happen in 2030?
And will there be any changes in the way you act to situations?
Yes, I told everything about what.
Okay, can you repeat it? Is there any harm in repeating it, Spandan? Can you repeat it?
I'm repeating now.
Say.
In 2013, I will be 18 years old, and from that age, I can ride a bike, and I will be an adult. That will be super amazing, and I can go anywhere from that age because I am an adult.
Okay, how would you react to situations? That was one more question Twarita asked you. How would you act to situations? You said, I'm going to ride a bike. That's going to be super amazing. But how are you going to react to your situations? You didn't answer that.
I didn't understand only what is react to. What react situation?
Okay, a reaction to situation in the sense somebody is saying, okay, we are going to come and attack your country. So you will say, okay, you come and attack my country. Please come, please come.
What's the situation?
Situation. Example, somebody is saying that they are going to come and attack your country. So you're going to welcome them, telling them, please come and attack my country. Are you going to say that? So please take one example and tell us that. So you will have to, that's what I'm going on telling you, Spandan. You will have to think and say. You will have to think and say. If you don't think and say, I'm giving you a situation that somebody is going to come and attack your country. How would you read?
I will tell him that I will not allow you to come.
So you will have to say that, no, but you're not even taking that in your mind. That question part itself, you left it off.
I don't
Spandan, first, listen. First, you need to understand the complete question. You have only taken one part of your question saying, in 2030, how will you utilize your freedom? That is all. So I will ride a bike. I know how to cook. I know how to dance. I know how to sing. That is all. And I will have super amazing time. But how will you react to situations? All kinds of situations. Who knows what kind of situations you will face?
But why would I react to situations?
Because your thought process, now you are a kid. Now you are small. So you are depending on somebody. When you are an adult, still will you depend on somebody? Now you are going to school. You are doing homeschooling. Are you deciding, or are you sitting with your friends, your parents, your elders and deciding? So your parents are also deciding, isn't it? But in 2030, you are an adult. So will you go back to your parents to discuss, or you will be to that level of maturity in your mind where you will feel, okay, this is the time I can take certain situations and decisions. So will you be in the same level of thinking?
No, I will not.
That is what we are asking. How will you react to situations? Now you tell me the answer.
But which situation?
Any situation.
If any situation, I will not react. But what I have to react? Why
if it is a very serious situation, you're no more a kid then. So you are a matured adult. So your thought process is matured. But I
don't know only which situation should I take.
So in that 2030, then I will say, okay, Spandan is still depending on his parents to come back to him to give him decisions.
But give me something situation then
I told you just now. I told you. You're just saying, no, you don't come and attack my country. So they will move away. Yes. They will move away. They will just go away.
Yes.
Just because Spandan told, okay, go away from my country, they will go away.
No.
Then, so I just gave you a situation. Then now you ask your friends, now you think of your own situation. Imagine your situation. Imagine. That's why I'm telling you. No. That means you're not giving thought process. No, Spandan. That means you're not giving a thought process. You're trying to make simple. You're making it simple by taking only half of your question. I will give you some more time. I'm going to come back to you. By then, Twarita.
I don't know only what is situation word.
Situation, any kind of situation. So, who will be able to help out Spandan here? Who will be able to help?
I can't understand anyone only because.
Okay. Wait. You didn't understand. Okay, let me assume that you didn't understand at all.
I can't understand only anyone, and I'm telling that I can't make an imaginary situation because if there is nothing situation only, I can't make a normal imaginary situation also.
No. Spandan, see, if there is a situation, if always you should have a if in your mind. If something like this happens, how will you react? How will you take that? How will you handle it? Handling. So even when it comes to your profession, you will be a graduate. You will be a degree holder that time. So will you want to study more? Would you not want to study more? So even that simple example you can take.
Means that if they told that I will attack my country, I will tell no. So they will not go like this. Then they will tell that I will attack your country. They will tell that I will attack your country only. So I will punch them and just take out of the country.
Okay, that you can say then. So that example itself is a good one. So you are reacting, isn't it? You're becoming matured. So physically strong, even that is an example. But you didn't say anything. Now that is fine for me. So you are thinking of the imagination. You are coming to my line now, correct?
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying. Come to the attempt, at least some attempt. But we cannot just like that say, no, I can't understand. Can we keep saying that? Okay. Now waiting for Arish and Jaslyn. Actually, Arish and Jaslyn today, I think they are absent. Arish had a very bad network. Yeah, Twarita, what is that you're showing to the camera? Twarita? Arnav, are you there with me? Mana?
Yes.
Sakshi, would you like to speak a few words about freedom? I would love to hear from you, Sakshi, about freedom. Sakshi, now that they have spoken lots about freedom, what is freedom according to you, Sakshi? So you can add on your own words. Sakshi, I can't hear you. Sakshi, are you speaking? Come closer. Yeah. What is freedom, Sakshi? Do you have freedom? Sakshi, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have freedom at home?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of freedom do you have? Okay, Sakshi, what did you observe all of them talk about? Okay, a small assignment for Sakshi. Sakshi, take out one notebook. Write the question what I tell you. What is freedom according to Sakshi? Okay, what is freedom according to Sakshi? So tomorrow you will be speaking on this. Okay, Sakshi? I will join you tomorrow. Okay, you can send your answer. Show me your question. What have you written in your notebook? You need to show it to the camera. Sakshi, show it to the camera, Sakshi. Have you written the question? What is freedom according to Sakshi? Who can type the question for Sakshi? Twarita, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Twarita, you need to be there with me. Spandan, you write the question for Sakshi. Type it out for Sakshi, Spandan.
What do I have to write?
What is freedom according to Sakshi? Yeah. Come back. Okay. Yeah, good. What is freedom according to Sakshi? Okay. Mana, Twarita, Arnav. Today, Jaslyn and Arish are not there. So, are you all with me? Twarita, don't type. Spandan is doing that. So, Twarita has to be with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready typed. Where is your question mark? Where is your capital letter? She's going to copy the same. Always your questions and your sentences begin with a
capital letter.
But where is it? So whatever we teach to others has to be perfect. Okay? Yeah. Mana, Arish and Twarita?
Yes, ma'am.
Spandan is actually Spandan, you too. Capital letter and the question mark. Proper question. Spandan, type it properly.
Next class is going to be presentation.
Wait, I'm seeing Sakshi now. 1 minute. Sakshi, show it to the camera. I can't see that. What is... No. Read it. Sakshi, what have you written there? I can't read it. Sakshi, read it aloud. What have you written?
What is freedom according to me?
According to you. Very good. So when will you send this? Spandan, send the email ID to Sakshi so that after she answers, she has to scan it and send it to me.
I don't know.
I know.
Email ID. Arnav, type it. Wait, Mana, you're with me. Arnav is coordinating. So Twarita, Arnav, Spandan, Mana, Jaslyn and Arish have not joined today. But after they join, after Arnav, who will speak? Arish. So what should Arnav say? Now my friend Arish will continue. Okay. If he is not there, quickly you see whether Jaslyn is there. If Jaslyn is also not there, then Twarita will conclude. Twarita, are you there, Twarita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this was our discussion about freedom. Thank you, one and all. Say, Twarita.
This is our discussion about freedom. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, Arnav. Now Arnav will say, now we will share our experiences about the project. Arnav?
Now we will share our experiences about this project.
Yeah. What was your experience? Can we all share our experiences, friends? Ask your friends.
Can we all
share our experiences, friends?
Can we all share our experiences with our friends?
Yeah. So how was your experience? First and foremost, I will share my experience.
First and foremost, I will share my experience.
How was your experience?
My experience was nice and I was enjoying and I was very excited.
Okay. Now Arnav has given just a sentence. I want all of you to type your experience in the chat. Let me see who goes first. Quickly. How was your experience during the project time? Yeah, my question is there. Just see. How was your experiences during the project classes? Let me see who goes first. Even just a word or two also will be fine. Mana, I can't see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Type fast. How was your experience?
Ma'am, when I go to the chat, my video gets off.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Then you type. Okay, it was super cool. So you need to say this, okay? Spandan, you need to say that, okay? My experience was super cool. So once Arnav finishes, then comes Spandan, okay? Oh, Twarita has also already shared. Okay, it was a memorable experience. Okay, Twarita, you can say this.
Before that also I written something.
I had a lovely experience during the project classes. Okay, very good, very good. So you all can share whatever comes to your mind during that time. Okay, you need not say the same sentences, same words. So what comes to your mind during the project classes? What was your experience? You can just share it openly, orally. Okay, orally. Yeah. Manas, I'm waiting for Manas. Sakshi? Super duper experience. Okay, one more has come. Okay. Manna, I'm waiting for your answer. Still typing A, B, C, D. Make it fast, Manna. You'll have to be quick. Arnav, some more of your experiences, Arnav. Type it.
Yes, I'm writing.
Okay, type. Spandan has shared just 4 words. Only that much out of 4 classes. For 4 classes, 4 different words could have come. 100 years, 200 years, 2000 years. Type fast. Who's typing fast? Sakshi, you type about yourself. Sakshi, you type about yourself, Sakshi. What is that you would like to share about yourself? Your likes about food. Type, Sakshi. Take it. Take the keyboard in your hand. I was nervous at the beginning, but I'm relaxed now. Very good. Okay. Manna, I can't see yours anything. Teacher was also very kind. Okay. Manna. Manna's coming now. It was a memorable moment. I had a lot of questions. It was a writing class. Okay. Very good. Very good. Memorable moment. Oh, it was memorable. Not a memorable comes means you'll have to have memorable moment. Okay. Very good. Very good. Spandan, 4 classes, 4 different answers. I want to know.
It was something like a dream.
I was hunting for words. Every time I told Shobna ma'am, I can't understand. I can't understand. And I was always peeping out of the window, looking at the swimming pool, looking out for the skyscrapers. I was also busy shifting my house during my project classes. I told Shobna ma'am, I don't have sketches. I told Shobna ma'am, I don't have charts today. Okay, it was fun doing the activities. Yeah, all of us, we were doing cutting, pasting. All that I thought you all would share. We were busy in cutting, pasting, measurements. We learned mathematics there, little bit of mathematics there, measurement there. Yeah. Then we learned how to stick it properly. We learned how to stick our title in the middle. So many things we learned. Okay. So that was good. That was good. So Mana, then you can say thank you one and all. Okay. After all of us have shared our experience. So Harnav, after you say, you will say over to Arish. If Arish and Jaslyn are not there, you will say, dear friends, can we share our
experiences?
So what will you say, Arish? Sorry, Arnav?
Dear friends, can you share our experiences?
I had. Then you continue with yours.
I had nice and exciting experience, and it was nice class, and the teacher was very nice and polite.
Okay, okay. Now, Spandan, what did you say? My experience, continue. My experiences were, Spandan, continue. My experiences during the project classes were.
Understand what are you talking?
Whatever you typed, you share.
Means whatever you type.
My experiences, what was your experience during the project class?
My experiences were that it was super cool and sometimes it was boring and sometimes I was getting mad at the activities. But sometimes it was just a lot amazing.
Okay, okay. Super cool. Okay. Over to Manna. Say over to Manna. After Spandan.
Sometimes it was cool and sometimes it was super cool.
Oh.
And sometimes I was getting mad at what is she writing?
He's writing something. Don't get distracted. Twarita, you're distracting him.
Sorry, ma'am, it got typed by mistake.
Okay. I know Manna doesn't like to type at all or likes to write at all. I know about Manna.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Over to Manna. Over to Manna. Say over to Manna.
Over to Manna.
Manna, your experiences. Opening statement only. I don't like to write. Say.
Memorable.
Say. Say, Manna. Manna, we are not able to see you.
I was boring.
What was boring? Writing was boring. Okay.
I had a lot of questions. It was exciting.
You overcame your talking. Do you know that? I have identified that. Now Mana has become one dadima only. Bak, 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 bak. Now Mana, yes or no? Friends, children, yes or no? How has Mana become now? How has Mana become now, Varna? Twarita, how has Mana become now?
Daddy.
Daddy, talking nicely. Talking, chatting, naughtier. Okay, Twarita, over to Mana. Over to Twarita now. Say.
Over to Twarita. I had a lovely experience.
Yeah,
Twarita is supposed to start now.
What, dear?
Twarita is supposed to start.
No. Arnav will start because he is ending. No, Jaslyn will finish. So if Jaslyn finishes, then Arnav take up the experiences. Okay. You'll say over to her and all. What is the name? Arish and Jaslyn. Once they finish, now friends, can we share our experiences? Continue that. Okay, Arish? Start with yours, then Spandan, then Mana, then Twarita, Jaslyn and Arish. If they are not there, you'll continue and say who is the final person. Last person, they will say thank you one and all. Yeah, Twarita has to share her experiences. Yes.
I had a lovely experience during my project classes. It was really a memorable experience. First I was a bit nervous because I thought I would do everything wrong, but now I'm a bit relaxed and I'm not scared. I also like Mrs. Shobana because she's very kind and she helps me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. So are we ready for our project? Thumbs up or no thumbs up, Spandan? I don't understand what you're saying. When we say bye, Spandan is ready. Now he can hear us. When I say bye, Spandan says, what, Manna?
Ma'am, you said that Jasmine has to say the
final, yeah. But today she's not there, no. So if Jasmine is not there, Manna will take over. That's why you'll have to be ready for it. Okay, Manna? But I will show you the slide. Don't worry. You can see it and read it. Okay. Seeing and reading is
also that
Tell me, Tarita. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it also there that the real project time is the real project day of like presenting is next Thursday?
Wednesday. We are doing it on Wednesday between 1:30 to 3:30. So dress up very well, neatly, come smartly dressed, neatly dressed.
Are you sending it over the app?
Yeah. We are sending it to all of them. We are sending it to your parents. So keep your parents informed. Make a note of it in your notebooks between 1 to 3:30 on Wednesday. Make a note of it between 1:30 to 1 to 3:30 on Thursday. They should be ready. Yeah, 1 to 3:30. Sakshi, you can call your parents. We will be sending an invite. But if you invite your parents personally, they will feel delighted. Isn't it? Yes or no?
And ma'am, also that should have parents sit for the Wednesday class?
Yes, they will join. We will send a separate link to them. So they will also come and join. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Miss 1:30 to 3:30?
3:30, yes. 1:30 to 3:30. Okay? So be ready. Yeah, 1:30 to 3:30.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, dear. Bye, children. Bye. Yes. Bye. Mana, naughty girl. Bye. See you. Bye, Sakshi, bye. Sakshi, you send your question, okay? Show me your email ID, Sakshi. Sakshi, show me your email ID on the camera. Did you write the email ID? Sakshi, did you write the email ID? Yes or no? No, I will type the email ID. You take it down now, okay? info@. Arnav would have sent it, I think.
Yes, I sent it.
Yeah, Arnav promptly would send it. Sakshi, make a note of it. I have typed it again. Make a note of it in your book.
It's wrong.
info@heggedsedu.com. Correct only?
Yes, it's correct.
Mana, that's right. Yes, what is incorrect, you tell me. Mana? Hey, Mana, are you there? Mana, I can't see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays, how much he speaks, no, Arna? Huh?
When Arna wrote it, he did not write .com.
Oh, .com should come. Otherwise, the mail will not reach others. Maybe you would have missed it. So you should have told him then and there in the chat only. What were you doing? You didn't tell him, Manna?
No.
No, why no? You should have told him, Sakshi, I can't see you. Sakshi, turn on your video. Next week after the project, we will have some games. Okay? We will play some games. Sakshi, did you make a note of it? Yes, show that in the camera, Sakshi. So what is freedom according to you? Okay, sure. Info. So no space, okay, Sakshi, no space in between. So after writing, you'll have to scan that page and send it on the mail. Okay, Sakshi. So tell your parents to help you out in that. Do you own a mail ID? Do you have a mail ID of yours? No. So you need to tell your parents to help you. Yes or no? You need to open your mouth. Yes. No?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, Sakshi, Mana, Arna, bye. See you. All the best. Can we give all the best to all of us? All the best. Closer to the camera. Closer to the camera. Bring it to the camera. Yeah. So when are we going to meet again?
Monday 1:30.
Monday 1:30, and again on Wednesday we'll meet for the final presentation. Bye.
Ma'am, are we rehearsing in Monday also?
We'll see. We'll see. Let Jaslyn and Arish come. Today also Arish didn't have a proper network. Bye. Bye, Arna.